Okay. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, all. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about at last this part, no, how to create this kind of setup, set of a box. Okay. It is something like what we discussed embedded system example in the beginning, that motor vehicle. Yes. Next, we discuss set top box. And I believe you saw this figure, no? Yesterday. At last, yes. You draw this figure. Okay, we will move from that one. You are draw this figure. And next thing is security system. Okay. Security system is just like what? Set-top box. That third thing, we will explain this one by this figure. It's easy. Okay. If you think about this figure, you can see in the security system. Okay, it's an embedded system used in many security devices. Okay, this is actually an embedded system used for many security devices. Something like what? Sensor input. There can be used for the SSD. It can be used. It is generated what? Security controller. Okay, it is actually a security system controller. They are having a sensor input. Okay, this is a security system controller. This is security system controller. Mainly they are having a sensor input. With that input, it can be read temperature, pressure, and the acoustic. It can be read temperature. According to temperature, it can be given output. If the temperature is more than 30 Celsius, you can get this kind of output. If the pressure is more than what? Normally we are calculate pressure by pascals. If the pressure is more than what? More than atmosphere pressure. Okay. If the pressure is more than atmosphere pressure, you can leave like it. Okay, acoustic like that. The sound. Okay. Like that they are what? Read the input. According to that input, now sensor read that input. They are given output. So processing that one, there can be have SSD and RAM and keypad input. Yeah. According to that one, there are provide process a relevant output there. There are processing a relevant output there. That's the thing that can be running when you are using a embedded security system. Okay, that are the things that can be seen when you are running embedded security system. Okay, these are the components that can be seen there. Okay, these are the main components that can be seen on the security system. Okay, these are the main components. What are they? They are having temperature, they are having pressure, acoustic with the sensor input. Because that they can read them. Okay, like in the SSD, that keypad interface and the RAM, and according that there are given output. Okay, that are the main thing that can be following on the secondary system. Can you write down? Draw this figure. I give some time. Can you please draw this figure in the third one? Okay, there I explain that one. Okay, here you can see the security code set in RAM and the alarm activated deactivate using the keypad. Okay, so normally this security code is set in RAM and the alarm activated or deactivated using the keypad. Okay, so data from sensor is sent to the controller, which checks again the values stored on the SSD. Check against the value stored on the SSD. Okay, so these settings are on SSD rather than RAM in case the sensitive needed devices. So according to that, the output can be signal to the flashlight. It can be a sound, an alarm, or send a message to the homeowner. Yeah, their mobile phone. So again, the homeowner can interface with the system remotely if necessary. Okay, like that one, they are having a security system. Okay, they are having a security system with that. Okay, can you please write down this one? Okay, can you please write in this one? Yes, please write down this security system. Okay, so security system are using many security devices like sensor input, SSD, RAM, output, and a keypad interface mainly. Okay, these are the things that are running on the security system. Okay, in security system, this component should be running there. Okay, please draw. Yes, draw it. Yes, yes. Okay, so here that security code, as previously said, RAM and evaluate use the keypad there. Okay, yes. That is your draw it. No? Yes. So The sensitivity need to adjusted. According to sensitivity, it can be given output as previously. And the output can be signal flashlight. If it is taken with the what light sensor, okay, with the light sensor, it can be displayed as a flashlight. Okay, it can be final output can be a sound, an alarm, or send message. Okay, final output can be a sound, uh, alarm or something there, or send message to home owner via their mobile phone. Again, okay, the homeowner can what interface with the system remotely if it is necessary. Okay, so the final output can be what? A flashlight output signal. It can be a sound or alarm sending message according to that what input sensing thing. So according to that one, yes, we will write that. An output can be a signal as a flashlight, a sound, an alarm, or send message to the homeowner via their mobile phone. Again, the owner can be what? Homeowner can interface with the system remotely if necessary. According to that result, what is that sound? That homeowner can be what? Homeowner can interface with the system remotely if necessary. Okay. He can change information according to that owner things. Okay. Yes. Like that one, it can be getting output according to the output results. And also, finally, there can be have a lighting systems. There can be have a lighting system. Okay. So embedded systems are used in modern sophisticated lighting system from simple home used to major architectural lighting system. Okay, so we will what concentrate here on lighting system used to large office to the system need to control the lighting taken into the account. So like there, the lighting system can be have there with what the time of the day or day of the weeks according to that. Okay, like that one you can create the lighting system then. Okay, you can create all lighting system. Okay, right. Okay, you can use lighting system like that. So like there, the next important part is lighting system. Can you write down? Fourth one, no? Yes. The fourth one, it is for lighting system. the security system. Both one is what? Lighting system. Lighting system, it is embedded system are used in modern sophisticated lighting system. From simple home to used to major architectural lighting system. Okay. So embedded system are used in the modern sophisticated lighting system from simple home use to major architectural lighting system. So we will what? Concentrate here on the lighting system used in the large office. Okay, we will concentrate here on the lighting system used in the large office. The system need to control lighting taken in the account. So normally the system need to control the lighting taken account with what? The time of the day or day of the week. It can be time of the day or day of the week. It can be whether the room is occupied. It can be handled. What? The room should be occupied at total. The important, mostly, they are taking the brightness of the natural light. They are taking the brightness of the natural light. That means they are consider the brightness of the natural light. They are consider it is what high brightness or low brightness there. Okay, like that one they can be considered there. Okay, so actually, okay, write down this underline part. That embedded system can automatically control the lighting using the number of input and the key data is stored in the memory. Okay, it can be what? Control. That embedded system can be automatic control the lightly using the number of input and the key data is stored in the memory. Okay. Can you please write down this underline part? Okay, write this underline part. Okay, write it here about the lighting systems. Okay, write there. Write this underline part quickly. Yes, write them. Okay, you can write like that. So embedded system are using the model sophisticated IT system from simple home used to the major architectural design system. And also the system need to control lighting taken in the account, something like the time of the day or day of the week. Okay, whether the room is occupied or not. the brightness of the natural light, like that. So embedded system can be automatically control the lighting using the number of input, such as like sensors. Okay, so the key data is stored in the memory at last. Okay, right here. Okay, so you can write like that. So lighting systems are one of the example of the embedded system at last. Okay, I think you already wrote this one, no? Yes. Yes, okay, so it's almost time up for today. So I will wind out. Okay, we will discuss other things on the tomorrow. Okay, we will discuss other all things on the tomorrow. So I will wind out for today. We will discuss other things tomorrow. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Okay, see you next day. Actually, not tomorrow. No? Okay, see you next day. Okay, see you.